How to fix voice chat option not showing in Roblox mobile game. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Guide Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can fix if the voice chat feature is missing or not showing on the Roblox game. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so if you're not getting the Roblox voice chat option, first thing first, you just need to check out the voice chat settings. Open up the Roblox app from your device, and from the Roblox homepage, go ahead and tap on this more button at the bottom right here, and then scroll down and tap on settings. Now once you're here inside the settings, go ahead and tap on privacy, and under the privacy, tap on communications. And he'll get us to the voice chat option. You just need to tap on this one and make sure you have enabled the microphone for the voice chat. If it's already enabled, turn this option off and wait around 10 to 20 seconds, and after that turn it back on. And also you just need to check some of the important settings. Just get back from here, get back again and tap on content maturity, and we just need to make sure that you have selected the moderate from here. And now once you have done, you just need to get back from here. But if you don't find the voice chat option right here, that means you haven't verified your age. You just need to get back from here, and you just need to check out your account information and make sure you have verified your email address and phone number, and also just need to make sure that you have verified your age. If you don't know how to verify age on Roblox, I already make a dedicated video about it. You can check the video out. I'll give it the link in the description, and you can verify your age. And once you have verified everything on your account, most likely you will get the voice chat option on your device. And once you do that, you just need to enable the voice chat, and you'll get the voice chat option in Roblox game. But another thing you just need to keep in mind that every game doesn't have the microphone option or the voice chat option that you can chat with them. So you just need to keep in mind, and most likely, hopefully this will fix your problem. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.